Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Unbounce landing pages. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you use the Unbounce page variant tool? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use the Unbounce page variant tool anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. The cool thing about Unbounce is you can build different variations of the same landing page and test out which one's working better for your conversion. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Unbounce account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Unbounce account, and this is the home page that shows all of the different landing pages you might have. I can see two that I have here. If you don't see this page for some reason, don't worry. Just click on pages here on the top left. Once you've done that, you want to kind of scroll through and then find the landing page that you'd like to make a variation of. So for example, we'll go ahead and use this one right here, Lockwood copy. And all we're going to do is go ahead and just click on the landing page name in blue right here. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show more information about the landing page. And in order to create a variation of this landing page, here on the top right, you're going to click on these three little dots. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a drop down and you want to click on this one here called Add Variant. Okay, so now you're going to get three different options. So you can start from scratch. So basically you're going to start with a blank landing page, or you can do this one and choose from one of the templates that Unbounce has available to you. However, generally when I am creating a variant of a landing page, I'm going to choose this one right here. And basically what's going to happen, it's going to duplicate the landing page we're working on. So that way we can make slight changes. So basically it's going to be the same landing page, but we might move the button over a little bit. We might change some colors. We might add a different image, and that way we can see which one works better. So I'm going to go ahead and choose duplicate an existing variant and click on create variant. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now we have two different variants of the same page, and you can verify that by clicking on this little arrow next to the edit. So we have variant A and variant B. Next, what you're going to want to do is scroll down, and you're going to choose how the traffic that you're sending to this page is going to be distributed. So right now it's going to just the initial page. However, we can also click on this one and A/B test it. So what's going to happen is Unbounce is going to automatically rotate the traffic that you send to this page to each one of those. And then that way you can see which one is performing better on conversions. They also have this feature. I've never actually used this. They say it's smart traffic. So it says AI is going to send visitors to the page variant where AI thinks it's most likely to convert. So again, I haven't actually tried that one. Usually I'll just use A/B test. Okay, next what you're going to want to do is go ahead and publish here on the top right. Publish now. Okay, so now it's publishing. Okay, now it is published. So any traffic would be live to both of those pages. Like I said, not really pages because they're one page, but variations up. Now, in order to go ahead and go in and edit, you're going to click on this little arrow, and then you want to choose which one you want to edit. So I'll click here, variant B. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you into the editor. And if you look here on the top left, it's going to let you know we're working on variant B. So this is an identical landing page to variant A. So maybe what we want to do is go ahead and make a small edit. So maybe this button right here, we don't want to say book my visit. Maybe we'll just do a small change and say get my discount now. All right. So that's an example of a small change that you can make. So that way part of the traffic is going to go to the other variant, and then part is going to go here. And then you're going to be able to see which wording for the button is going to be higher converting. And then once you've made that change to that variant, go ahead and click on save. All right. Once you've done that, you want to make sure you publish it. So republish, and I'll click this republish. All right. So now that is published, that changed. So we have two variations of the same landing pages. And the only thing we changed was the button right here. And then once you figure out which one of those converts better, you can go ahead and make another variation, maybe variation C, and see which one performs, and just keep doing that and optimizing your different landing pages. So up here on the top, if you want to switch over to the first variation, you can go ahead and do that. So we got the first variant right here, and we'll click there, and then you can go in and start editing that one as well. Also, if you look next to the name variant, so we have first variant, copy one, and first variant, but right above it, we have discarded variants and champion variant. So based on the traffic, Unbounce is going to let you know which one is performing better. So as of right now, this is just a new landing page, but it's letting me know this is the champion. Okay, so let me go ahead and go back. Okay, so here we are on the settings for that landing page. Okay, so now once you have determined which one is going to be the champion, you can go ahead and move that off into its own page. And that way it's not going to be reporting with the different variation by clicking up here on the top right on these three dots. And then you can go ahead and click move main variant to another page. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use the Unbounce page variants, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.